Well, the possum was out here eating. The raccoon walked up and the possum walked off. You know, the possum's still right there. Possum's right behind the raccoon. The raccoon and the possum eating out of the same bowl. Raccoon on the left and possum on the right. They don't care about each other. That possum ought to start smelling me anytime. He ought to turn around and start walking off. That wind is blowing that way. Raccoon, can I walk over there now? The possum walked off. I'm gonna walk over there. That possum walked off. Yeah, that possum, he smelled me. He always walks off. I got this right here. I ain't got but just 2 or 3 pecans here. I had a whole bunch. I'm coming right there. Now here I come. Here I come right here. Last night, you didn't eat any. Last night you did not eat any pecans last night. I'm putting them right here for you. See me? Raccoon, you looking at me? Look at me when I do this stuff. I want you to see me do it. I want you to see me. I want you to see me empty this bag right here. Let me zoom back out some. I got it zoomed all the way in. I just emptied them right here. I put some pecans right here for you. I got some right here for you. Let me throw you one over there. Let me throw you a biscuit over there. I'm going to throw that raccoon a biscuit over there. I got a biscuit, I mean a pecan right here, raccoon. Here you come. You ready? You ready? Here. You want that pecan? I did real good, raccoon. I threw that pecan real good, didn't I? Yeah, the possum and the raccoon, they was up here eating together. Come here, here. Come here, raccoon. Come here. Don't walk off, big butt. He sees something down there. What are you standing right there for? He thought he see something down there. He thought he see something down there. He didn't know if he did or not. I got water right here in that bowl. I tried to put it in a bowl, but I missed. You rung the bowl. You hit the bowl. You hit the bowl. That raccoon loves putting them pecans in that bowl. That's clean water. You seen me put that clean water in there, Raccoon. You seen me put that clean water in there. Tell you what I am give out. I have swept the living room, swept the den, swept the kitchen, swept the bathroom. I mopped the living room, I mopped the den, I mopped the kitchen, I mopped the bathroom. All the dirty clothes, I washed 3 loads of dirty clothes today. Of my mother's clothes, not mine. 3 loads of my mother's clothes. I washed those, and then I just got through boiling a dozen eggs. I'm having some hard-boiled eggs. I just got through this about 9 o'clock. I got through boiling some hard-boiled eggs right there, so I got those for tomorrow. I ate one of them a while ago. It's pretty good. Turned out real good. I bought those eggs for $1 something or other a dozen. I used a coupon website, the Ibotta. I used that, and they gave me $2.50 back on a dozen eggs. Any brand I bought. And then I went to the store and had them on sale. At the store they was on sale. So I ended up spending about $1.50 for a dozen eggs. That was last week. I decided I'd go ahead and boil them up today and have hard-boiled eggs tomorrow to eat on and snack on. Why you hunkered down like that for, Raccoon? You hunkered down. Oh, nice looking raccoon right there. He could put that cat food in there. He put that cat food and dog food in there. And there's supposed to be 2 different kinds of cat food, 1 different kinds of dog food, small dog food, and what else was they in there? Something other else in there. Got pecans in there. You stretched out? That raccoon stretched out. I seen the when I was buying this cat. This is some cat food here. I seen they had cat food like Gravy Train. When I was growing up, we had dogs, German Shepherd dogs and Labradors, and we'd feed them that Gravy Train where you can, it'd be hard, or you can mix water with it and make Gravy Train out of it. But I seen some for cats the other day in the store. I've never seen cat Gravy Train before. I'm sorry to get it, but I might get some next time. But it was something like $2 more a bag. But that raccoon, he worth $2 more a bag. Just to watch him. Just to look at him. Alright, I'm going to stop this video. Stop.